Hey everybody, I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be kind of doing a tutorial of sorts. So one thing I like to do when I'm looking for like lost YouTube videos is figure out what I already have. And this doesn't even just apply to like lost media, this is if you want to like organize a channel's videos. So I've had a lot of trouble putting YouTube videos into like Google Sheets. I've done it before manually, but I've always wanted to find a way to do it, have it do it automatically. And there are ways to do it. You can get like Google add-ons, but those usually have limits. Like they'll only let you do like 25 videos, and if you want to do more, you have to pay money. Or sometimes if you like want to do it automatically, you have to mess around with YouTube API, and that's just like very annoying. And I found a way to do it where you don't have to mess with any of that. This sheet right here, it took me about 10 minutes to make, and it has all 6,000 videos from the Penguin channel. And yeah, it took me like 10 minutes to do. So I thought I would show you guys how I did it, because this is something that I've been trying to figure out for a long time. And if you ever come across a problem, hopefully this helps you. So first thing you'd want to do is you're going to want to use this website. It's called YouTube Metadata. I'll put the link in the description for this if you want to follow along. So I'm just going to use my channel as an example. So you're just going to copy the link, and then you're going to go to bulk, and then you're just going to paste the channel that you want to do and click submit. So what's it doing right now is it's grabbing all the videos. Might take a minute, but depending on like how many videos the channel has, it will take longer. I think for the Penguin channel with like 6,000 videos, it only took 3 minutes to load in. So I'll show you how to do it. While that's loading, I'll just open up a blank sheet. So here are 10 videos. You can do as like 25, 50, 100, 250 all. The best thing about this website is you can have it show what you want. So say if you don't want the views, let's get rid of that. I don't usually like having the likes or comments. Yeah. So all you would have to do is take this, or actually I don't want the tag count, and then get rid of the region restrictions. Yeah, so this is all we want. Just going to copy, go into the first cell, and then it looks a little funky right here, but all you have to do is get it a little bit. And then if you wanted to insert above a row, we can just do title, author, upload date. Let me take this. Actually, this. Freeze the top row. And there you go. One thing I didn't like about when I copy and pasted it is the upload date. I don't like all the stuff with the T and like that. So what I did was I did it and I made a new one with this formula right here. Honestly, I just used ChatGPT to get the formula. You just copy and paste that, and you just hide it, and it looks good. This is something I've been wanting to get figured out for a long time, and it makes it so much faster than like manually entering each video, each information, how long the video is, date, the link to the video. So like it even like embeds it. So like if you click, it'll take you to the channel. If you click this, it'll uh, take you to the video. So that's something that I've been wanting to figure out for a long time. And you can do this with as many videos as you want. Like say if I click all, it'll load it. If you're doing a channel like with like a lot of videos, like 6,000 videos, it sometimes can slow down your computer a bit. You like if you're copying and pasting this entire thing into here, it'll take like a minute to load. Might tell you to like close the tab or something, but like it'll have the prompt where you can like either wait or close. I just clicked wait and it loaded everything in. So I really hope you find this useful as I did. This is something I've been wanting to get done for a long time, and I finally figured out an efficient way to do it. Um, this website actually used to be able to do it, but what happened to export? You click here, shows that the YouTube API, it limits it, so you can't do that. But if you just copy and paste it, works just as well, honestly. Um, but yeah, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you find it useful, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.